I'm clue-locked in old-school RuneScape. Follow me on my road to max on my Ironman. My current master step is this one. The item that I need is Briarfighter Staff. The boss here is called Briarfighter. Every time you enter this boss room, you need a mossy key. Now, you can get mossy keys by killing moss giants. Wait! A giant champion scroll! So it's actually my first one, so nice.
Collection log slot completed.
Oh, I'm free! I'm free! Alright. Whoa! No way! We got the casket! No shot! No shots! Oh! Oh! We are free! We are free! We are official free! We can do whatever we want now. Nice. Let's open the easy one.
Collection log slot completed.
I got a lock. I got a lock. That's good. That's good, right?
Collection log
Yo!
slot.
I got, yo! Okay. I get another lock. Cool. Just keep on going.
Collection log
Yo!
slot completed.
Okay. Keep on going. Keep on going. Okay. Ah, come on. Anti-master. Ooh. It's finally time. We hit over 2000 points. And for that we can buy those Sidious blueprints. Ah, sweet new house.
Collection log slot completed.
Oh,
Good clutch.
finally, I have the best pool in my house. Thanks to my group member Slyn. So I don't have to actually have the Herblore level, which, yeah, is heavy required for an Ironman. But since I'm a Group Ironman, it's not. So I need money, and guess where I am? At the gauntlet. And see if we get spooned again. Nope, not this time. Finally building this old fire pit, so I don't get my stat reduced and my stamina completely eliminated every single time. This is apparently for me. I can build it for some time now, but it's time now. Remove the fairy ring. Yes, remove it. Build a spirit tree and a fairy ring. And here we have it. I have so many curved and long bones from the moss giant grind. So I'm now donating them to Barlock. What? 99 construction! Oh yes. Oh yes. So nice. Mount the Dixie pendant. Unlimited teleports to Fossil Island. I need 4 marble blocks. Let's build my portal nexus. I mean, it was clear that I did 99 construction with mahogany homes. For the runes, if you have the normal rune pouch, you can use combination runes as smoke runes. If you don't have the Tome of Fire, maybe you have the Tome of Water, so you can swap out. You just simply want to have teleports to Varrock. and to Falador with your runes, and you will want to have a Xerix talisman to teleport to Glade. If you don't have a Xerix talisman, you can use your house portal, and yeah, you have to have a house in Hosidius. If you have a high enough level, you can actually create the Ornage Jewelry box, and this box gives you the Falador Park teleport, which is the closest teleport to any new contract. This teleport is also closer to the Regenerations in Falador back there, so if you hit that level, you not needing any Falador teleports anymore. All those caskets I gained over the grind of the last master casket, to the point of me having 99 construction. The easy caskets were absolute garbage. Let's get the medium caskets. Let's hope for
Collection
something.
log slot completed. Collection log slot completed.
What is that? Now to the hard caskets.
Collection log slot completed.
Bloody high traps.
Collection log slot completed.
Good text page 4. Here we have it. Here we have it. The master clue. Yes. Oh. It happened. It finally happened. So we put those back. Alright, Sherlock. No. Oh no! Wow, I just hit 75 smithing and not even recording as usual. I'm currently having like 77k XP an hour here. Like it's... If I could do this endlessly, it would be so nice, it would be so easy to get it to 84 or more. We are going to collect the double ammo mold. We can collect it for 2000 pounds here in the Giant's Foundry. And yeah, it's just way more effective.
Collection log slot
The
completed.
normal one. Hello, Mr. Sea Engineer. I'm handing in my big sword, and it's actually 84 smithing. Get the
Collection log
Govax.
slot
Grok.
completed.
This will absolutely boost our smithing to the level we need. Dangerous crap. Boom, challenge completed. So I have no idea what's next, but I think it can be everything. Like legit can be everything. Could be another horrific grind or just a easy finish of this clue. Yeah. What do you want? Yes! That is the best one! Perfect. Give me the casket. It is done! It is done! It is done! I pet this cat for every casket I open for increasing my luck to getting uniques. So there are some mediums, some easies, some hard, some elites, and one master. If I get another master clue, I have to get to do those master clues first because I'm locked, of course. And they have a chance to give me one, so if I get one, I'm not allowed to open any more caskets. So now I'm allowed to open my caskets, and I will start, of course, with the easy ones. Nothing. We didn't pet the cat, of course, for the easies, because why would you? Oh, that's perfect. Give me luck.
Collection log slot completed.
You see, you pet the cat and you get one collection log slot. Pet the cat another time. Perfect. Ah, a rare one. We didn't get actually a log, but it was a 140k medium. Wow. Cat, give me luck.
Collection log slot completed.
Yes, nice. Let's get and open another heart. Okay, not that unique. Okay.
Collection log slot completed.
Okay. Another good XD hide body. Great. The first elite. Okay. Summer pies. A shitload of summer pies. A mimic! Yes! While I'm recording actually, there are 3 armor seats in the group storage, which brings me to a total of 5 armor seats. Well, so I can actually make the armor, the complete armor now, and just shit on the mimic. We'll probably do this right now. Give me the blade body. Yes. Give me the helmet. So I have 1 extra. Perfect. And now we have full crystal. Whoop, whoop. I'm so slow at killing this thing. Maybe range wasn't the best idea? Oh my god! It was probably a bad idea to bring range, but I just wanted to flex the crystal armor. And I nearly died for it. Alright, kitty. That's perfect. I know.
Collection log slot completed.
What was the extra item? Wine of Samarak. Okay.
Collection log slot completed.
Okay. Not even pet the cat. Nothing. Alright. Final clue. The master clue.
Collection log slot.
We get another log. But it's a shitty one. Probably. Oh my god, what happened with my eyes? Did you see that? Look at my eyes. Like what? The whole head just changes. Let's take a look at our stats. In this video our stats increased quite a bit, with construction and smithing make the biggest progress. The reason why I trained to construction 299 was because of our clue log thing we are having here. It's way easier to complete the clues that I have if I'm having a maxed house, so I went for it straight away. Thank you for watching, take a sub and a like, and we see us next time.